Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, okay, and in fact this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to, okay. So if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Okay, this is the Dow. I find that the situation in the stock market, not just in the US, but if you permit me to put it in this way, globally, the situation is very interesting and very varied. I have rarely seen a situation that is so varied. When you look across many markets, they don't all sing the same tune, and that's what is so nice. That's what it's so nice. And I'm going now to run through very quickly through the quick impressions that I got, having analyzed all the markets. And now we're going to see, just to give you a bird's eye view. Okay, so the US, we go up. Europe, we are stuck, could be going down. Europe, as far as I'm concerned, is not ready to go up, with the exception of the UK. The UK could be following the US. And then we go and see the Asian markets. Those that are stable are likely to march in place for years to come. Some project further downside, and with the rare exception, the Hang Seng is still looking up with one option. And then you see we have Russia, we have China. You remember from last week I mentioned Russia and Russia and Brazil, and I said that they have the same wave count. They are both looking up for months to come. There is no change there. I still expect Russia to continue higher. You will see later on, and Brazil to continue higher. So you see, it's a very interesting situation where some markets are definitely going in a different direction than the major ones that we often follow. Yes, the US indices. So concerning the Dow, I am now working with the idea that we have seen from the bottom of 2009. We are in a major bull market. And it is not It's not over, and I think we have probably finished the fourth wave in this structure on the green scale of a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're now starting the fifth leg. The fifth leg, as you can see, should be something like 2 years. This is strictly technical, yes. This is not taking into account any commentaries, any studies on presidential cycles, on the effect of elections on the stock market. It's just ignoring everything. Quite frankly, just looking at the chart. And you just turn off all the other stations, and that's it. We just look at the chart. What the chart tells us that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we go up for 2 years, more or less. And we are still within this upsloping channel on the monthly. Okay, if you missed it, we are of course looking at the monthly, and that's all there is to it. Let's not try to make something that appears to be relatively simple to make it very complicated. I'm not suggesting this was simple. This is far from being simple, but I mean the very big picture that appears to come through as a structure of a 1, 2, 3, 4, so let's just go with it. So I don't think at this point in time again to get an extension. This is always an outside chance. Yes, that this will fail, and it's going to follow Europe because Europe is looking very weak, and in fact it will fail and will go into an extension. Look what is a remarkable situation here with the Dow, how the 50 moving average has been really taking care of this rally, at least in the last 2.5 years, if not 3 years. 3.5 years is amazing. It's amazing. So far we are on the right side, assuming that we are going higher. The bull is still being protected here, and let's take the daily, and that's what I see. That's how A, B, C, D, E, and it is beginning to make the right noises, certainly delivering the right legs, if you like, the right elements to complete a puzzle, a bullish puzzle that will send it a lot higher. I dare say this is high confidence. Also the S&P 500, you will see later on Qualcomm that I'm following. Also that chart is delivering, in my opinion, a high confidence structure. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes. I'll take off these lines that are confusing us. Okay, so that's how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the third ended with a pop right here. So the fourth wave could extend. Yes, we could see the market. We could see the market marching in place slightly longer. And if it's ready, no. If it's ready, it's just going to fly straight up. Okay, fly straight up to deliver the fifth leg on this scale. Okay, so we're talking about 200 points. Okay, 200 points and then a pause. A pause again to give us the fourth wave on this scale. In short, the Dow is looking up.